Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you how to download the latest version of Python, and that's Python 3.13. This is the most advanced version of Python, and I'm going to be showing you how to download it today on a Mac. And on a Mac, there's several ways, but I'm going to be showing you one key one today, but also showing you briefly how you can do it otherwise. So first things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search up Python, like I've just done here, and go to the Python website. I'll then click on downloads, and here it will already auto-suggest what you can do for your own operating system. So I'll click download Python 3.13.7. If you want to look at all of the different releases, you can look at them here. And there's different ones that were released in different dates with bug fixes and a few other things. But this one will download the latest stable version. Cool. Once you've done that, you want to double click here. And you just want to run through some of the updates here. There we go. And there we go. We have Python 3.13 here, and it's validating the packages. So there we go. That's it installed. And so how do you actually get it to run? So first thing I'm going to do is go to the terminal, which you can go here and look up utilities. Here. And go to the terminal, which is here. There we go. I'm going to make it nice and big here. And I'm just going to do Python 3 under -- version. And this will tell you what version of Python you're using. So there we go. It shows me that I'm using 3.13.7. And this is how you can ensure that it was downloaded properly. Now, another way that you can download Python on Mac is through something called Homebrew. So if you don't have Homebrew, I would advise that you install it normally. But if you do have Homebrew, which is brew.sh, this is an installer where you can install several things. So I already have Homebrew installed, but if you install it, this is you can install Python through this. And you can write brew install Python. So here, for example, is how you can install it. I believe it's just brew install Python. Let's try it here, brew install Python. I might get some errors, but I believe that this is how you do it if you want to do it directly. So I have, it's auto-updating Homebrew here for me. And I think it has some errors on Homebrew, but it should just be, I believe, brew install Python. So I can search this up. Brew install Python. And yep, it should just be brew install Python. So there it goes. It's installing a few things. Just minimize this, but it might take a little bit of time. So there we go. I've had some issues on permission, etc. But if you have this running, you should be able to brew install Python. But just that downloader version that I showed you is the way. And then you'll just want to write Python 3 -- version. And this way you can see what version you have. Great. That's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. And if you have time, please comment what kind of video you'd like to see next. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks a lot and have a good rest of the day.